What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking some steaks. Two seasonings I'm going to use. I'm going to be using the Killer Hogs AP, and then I'll be using the Killer Hogs steak rub. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting a light layer of the AP on all three, flip it both sides. Then we're going to come back over with the steak rub. Alright, so what we're going to be doing, we're going to be coming over just real light, nothing too crazy. Got it in. Once again, just real light. And then after that, come back in with the steak rub. Alright, now we're going to let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then after it sits there and rests, let all the seasonings sink in. We're going to throw it on the Blackstone, cook it from there. Once it's been sitting for about an hour and you let everything sit in, you come out here, turn your Blackstone on, get your meat. And then I like to use this Wagyu beef tallow as the oil on the Blackstone. Alright, once you're ready, I'm going to open up this Wagyu beef tallow and I'm going to put about a tablespoon of this beef tallow on. Kind of let it go around. This is what you're going to cook on top of. Alright, once you get that beef tallow on, you're going to grab your steaks. You're going to set them down. And I like to let them cook for about 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side. Flip it, 2 to 2.5 minutes. And then that should be about when it's ready to go. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes, so now we're going to flip these steaks. Give it a little push down. Oh yeah, those look good. Alright, now we're going to give it about another 2 to 2.5 minutes and see where we're at from there. Alright, it's been about 2.5 minutes on the other side, and these things, yeah, they're about ready to get off. So we're going to pull these off real quick. Oh yeah. And then we're going to bust into them. And now we got everything pulled off the Blackstone. And I like a little bit of barbecue sauce on my steak. I use the Traeger Q, made by Traeger. We're going to put a little bit right there, and we're going to see what these ribs are tasting like. Oh yeah, that's some good steak. Yep. Alright, thank y'all for watching on how I cook my steaks on a Blackstone. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all don't mind, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be back with y'all with another meal.